You don't need to blow $5,000 on a new M5 MacBook, especially if all you're using it for is the occasional AI task. If your machine is mostly running fine, but you just run out of power for those few, handful of tasks that just take too much, you should probably take a look at this following platform. So there's this thing called RunPod, and they offer you in the cloud all of these GPUs. You get like a $10,000 GPU for $1.89 an hour, which is insane. If your use cases are a little bit more humble, 5090 should do the trick, 32 gigs of RAM for under $1 an hour. Or you could even use last generation's A100 for $1.50, and if you use spot pricing, you can actually get those even for under $1 an hour. Or if you're somebody who wants to try the top of the line stuff before making a purchase, you can always use even the highest end of things, so B200 from NVIDIA for $5 an hour. And for any of these, you can go down here and choose how many GPUs you want per that machine. And if setting up any of this stuff is too complicated, you could always go over here into pod templates, and you can see a host of different options that people have already put up there from community and official and verified sources for everything from Comfy UI to generic Ubuntu instances or even OpenClaw. And if even that is way too much for you, you could take a look at the public endpoints, which offer a ton of different AI models already hosted, already set up. So if you click on one like this Kling, you can see you have the options to test it out and actually run the video. It gives you an example of how to actually use it as a public endpoint. So you just give it your key that you generate in the settings so you could use it in your app right away. So you could do it yourself, you could do community templates, you could set up your own templates, or you could just use a public endpoint. It's that easy. And if you use the code that's in the description, that you can go ahead and get $500 to $500, credits when you sign up. So if you just want to try it, at the very least, you'll get some money that you can try it out for free.